Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and we got another review going on. If you're following along, we're working on a project, whatever you want to call it, dropping down the sump pump, as you guys saw or following along, doing a bunch of reviews on everything that we need to do to get the job done together, and also whatever we, are testing out and finding out that doesn't work, I guess, I don't know. But that's pretty much what's going up, so we're getting this done. So I have something else on order. I had to order, this is the second one. The first one, I did not get to do the unboxing because it came and someone opened it. And I do not like to, someone opened it and I didn't know if it came with instructions or anything like that. And when I do reviews for you guys, when I say it's an unboxing, I really like to do a review of it exactly coming, not opened up yet, you know what I mean? And it comes right from, Amazon or wherever the heck I'm ordering from, you know what I mean? And then if it's a different review, I'll tell you it's a different review. If it's my opinion or performance, So when I do the unboxing or whatever, and I go over instructions, I like to actually show you what it would be like brand new. Not that, I messed with the box or just there's alternate motives here. So that's what's going on here. So I did get this new, I got this is the second one that we did get, and this is how they shipped it. The other one came in a box, I'm pretty sure. This one came wrapped up like this. They must have known it was raining out maybe and didn't want to do the box, because this comes from Staten Island and I'm only I think 45-50 minutes from Staten Island. So they can drop this off very quickly at the FedEx, and then FedEx comes to my house the next day. So there is no model or serial number on this, just the tag that came with the shipping label, and that is it. Okay, so that's just what I want to show you. So of course we got the measuring instruments out so you guys can scale everything. So we'll go over these measurements and give you some numbers on this unboxing, so you can see if it's going to work for your application or fit your needs, or you're just going to find value in it, because that's what I like to get for you guys and myself, is finding value. No matter if this thing is $1 or $10,000. You have to find the value in that product, no matter how much they're charging. So let's open this up, see what's up. Hopefully it's easy. It seems like we got a thing right here. I'm hoping I could just pull this off because I don't feel like cutting it, and then we'll see what's up, all right? All right, everyone. So I finally got this thing unwrapped and unpackaged, I guess. So this is what's going on. That's the size of it. So guys, at first, just to let you know, let's do an overview of this. At first, guys, when I first saw this online at a glance, I thought these were actual ports that you can cut open or pop open, and you could put a 4-inch pipe in there, or PVC, and connect it. If you guys have seen any kind of basins, sewage basins that are made for sump pump applications, or any kind of basins, the big ones, they have 4-inch usually hubs or something like that, they call them, where you could put a 4-inch PVC in there and run it out or run it into it, whatever the case may be. And that's kind of what's going on. So that's originally what I thought it was in the picture, but there is no way that's what it is. And this hole itself would not be able to fit that anyway, because it is 5.5 inches. So this hole, guys, this diameter is 5.5 inches, just to let you know. And the reason why these holes are like this, just to let you know how they have it, is because on the inside, that is where these little brackets that are made into there. If you guys can see those brackets in there, where those brackets are, that's where the round part is, okay? So that's why it's a design like that, is pretty much what you're going to be seeing. Now, the total height of this, guys, as you guys can see, there it is right there. We got 13 1/4, okay? 13 1/4 all the way high from lip to lip. That's not how high it's going to be when you slide this in, though. This is just supposed to raise your septic, or what you're using it for, I guess. The whole purpose of this is only to raise it 12 inches, okay? Just to let you know when they interlock. But otherwise, that's the size that you're looking at. And this is the diameter that I did get, okay? I got the 16-inch diameter for the application for what we're using it for together, as you guys can see, for the sump pump, okay? Now, how they measure the 16 inches, which is good for everyone, which is good and bad, okay? The good is that it's 16-inch true diameter on the inside. So this, guys, if you're using this for a sump pump, and you got the sump pump that has a tethered float or any kind of those crazy floats, you can use this 16-inch, guys, and this is going to be awesome. And I told you, I'm going to show you the reason why I picked this out for the sump application, because it's perfect for what I need. Amazon shipped it to me in like 2 days. I can just get it done. I don't got to play around. And even if it wasn't the right one, Amazon is very good with us at doing returns, because for every like 50 items we order, we return 1 item. So our chance, you know, our ratio is really good with Amazon. So they return us stuff at like the blink of an eye when we ask. So that's what's good about the 16-inch diameter, for you to be able to fit this in many applications. This comes in 24 inches and it comes in 12 inches, okay? So you can get this big, or you can get the size down, which will be this size. So here we go. You got this size, you'll have this size, and then you'll have this size. Those are the 3 sizes that I saw that they have. 2 foot, 16, and 1 foot, okay? Now, I'm not sure, guys, what these little holes in here are for, okay? There's little holes on these brackets. I do not know 100% what they are for. I'm not gonna lie. That must be somehow when you put this on your other piece, your cap or something like that. Those look like mounting holes that you could screw this down and hold it in. That's pretty much what I would think it is, okay? Now, these are also supposed to be able to screw together. So we're gonna check that out together down the line when we get this thing installed together. You're gonna see us do that. All right, guys, so the total diameter, like we said, 16 was the inside. The total outside is 18 1/4, 18 1/8, around there. You're gonna want wiggle room, okay? If you're using this for different applications, that's the size that we got going on here, okay? So let's get to the weighing, all right, and finish this up here. All right, everyone. So I weighed it out, and this weighs 2,149 grams. So that's 2,149 grams of weight this is, okay? Just to add another number to it to, you know, help you guys out with your decision making on what's going on. But that's it, everyone, for Glen Velvet reviews on the unboxing of this, because I do not know what applications you're going to use this for. We're using it on the Sump project together, but you might use this for the Septic or something else. I'm not sure. This has many uses. That's the reason why I wanted to do this review and unbox and show you, hey, you can use this any kind of application that is supposed to be in the ground, is what I mean, because I really like the setup, how it comes straight, the true size. You could screw them together, put multiple sizes. I'm a fan of this. Like I said, if you got to bury something in the ground of different proportion, different size and stuff. So that's the reason why, like, you know, I just wanted to let you guys know what's up, all right? But that's it for Glen Velvet reviews on that. We will be back with the installation and see what's up. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community, right? And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you can support the channel by clicking on those affiliate links below. Somehow, someway, times a million equals into something. But from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube. And if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you come back, see that I'm putting that support back into it, getting more stuff to review, doing updates on the items so we know we're getting a good value, and also helping my subscribers with any questions they have on the products I already reviewed. All right, so everybody enjoy, be safe. Glen Velvet reviews is out, everyone, and I will see you guys later.